Welcome guys. In this video we are going to have a look at the decision control instructions in C. In C programming, the various decision control instructions are used when we want to take our program into various directions depending upon some condition. When the various decisions that we must take in a program are dependent on some condition, then we use these decision control instructions. So first things first, we must discuss the if-else statement. So let's have a look. So the if-else statement is a very simple statement. It contains two or more statements which must be executed depending upon some condition. It contains a condition and the if and else which are a part of the syntax. So it works like this. First we use the if keyword, then we write our condition which is enclosed in these braces, and after that we write the statement 1 which gets executed if the condition enclosed in these braces is true. Otherwise, if the condition enclosed in these braces, this condition, is not true, then the statement 2 gets executed, which is written after the else keyword. If we need to execute more than one statements following the if or else keyword, then we use the brackets to enclose these statements. And these statements are said to be inside the if body and else body respectively. So let's have a look at the block diagram of this statement. So first of all, the control goes to the condition right here. If this condition is true, then the code of the if body gets executed. If this condition is false, then the code of the else body gets executed. So this is pretty simple stuff. Let's try to see how it works using an example. So here, as you can see, in this program, we calculate the percentage of a student and then we show the result whether the student has passed or failed, and we will use the if-else decision control instruction for this. So first we print a message to enter the total number of subjects, we store the total number of subjects, then we create an array to store the marks. We use a for loop to store the marks obtained in each subject. And what are these arrays and loops? We will have a look at these things later. Finally, inside the integer variable per, we store the percentage, and now we will use the if-else statement. So as you can see, this is the same syntax. So first we have the if keyword, then we have the condition enclosed in this brackets, and the condition is if percentage is greater than 33, we print a message that the student has passed. Otherwise, if the condition is not true, which means that the percentage might be less than 33, we print failed. So let's run this thing. So as you can see, it asks me the total number of subjects. I enter 5, and let's just randomly write the marks 60, 70, 80, 90, and this is the 5th subject and the last one. So here it shows that your percentage score is 72, and since 72 is greater than 33, it shows passed. Now if I enter a low score, let's say 40, 30, 20, 15, and let's say 16, now the percentage will be definitely less than 33. Let's see how this works. Here it shows that your percentage score is 24, which is less than 33, our condition, and this time the second statement followed by the else keyword was executed and it showed failed. So this is pretty simple stuff, and this is how the if-else statements work in C. We will continue this discussion further in our next videos. This was it for today. Hope you found this video useful. Unfortunately, if you didn't, leave a dislike. Thank you.